Speedy Wash 626EZ. Speedy Wash 626EZ is an absolute innovation in single brush bus and truck washing. Completely autonomous, it is powered by a 24-volt deep cycle battery system. The new Easy Drive steering system provides feather touch control via a mechanically integrated integral steering system, which includes central drive wheel under the base, 4 steering wheels, 2 full-function steering controls, 1 control standard. The interaction of these components provides extra smooth steering with total control of the machine in both directions, placing this unrivaled model squarely on top of its category. A Bitimec exclusive combination soft closed pore foam brush is available on all machines.